Let us going to discuss density of mixtures of two or more liquids. In case 1, if two liquids of densities are d1 and d2 having masses m1 and m2 are mixed together, then the density of mixture is, the formula for density of mixture is equals to total mass by total volume. Here two liquids are mixed together, means density of mixture is equals to total mass is m1 plus m2 by total volume is v1 plus v2. We know that density is equals to mass by volume, therefore volume v1 is equals to m1 by d1, volume V2 is equals to M2 by D2. Therefore, density of mixture is equals to M1 plus M2 by, here we substituted V1, V2 values. Above we find V1 is equals to M1 by D1, comma V2 is equals to M2 by D2. Substituted V1 is M1 by D1, V2 is M2 by D2. Therefore, if M1 is equals to M2, then the density of mixture is equals to 2M by, here M is the common, 1 by D1 plus 1 by D2, that is equals to 2 by 1 by D1 plus 1 by D2. Taking LCM is here D1 D2, D2 plus D1 by D1 into D2. Therefore, density of mixture is equals to 2 D1 D2 by D1 plus D2. Case 2, if two liquids of densities are D1 and D2 having volumes V1 and V2 are mixed together, then the density of mixture is, we know the formula for density of mixture is total mass by total volume. Here total mass is m1 plus m2 by total volume is v1 plus v2. As we know the definition of density is equals to mass by volume, then mass is equals to volume into density. Here m1 is equals to v1 d1, m2 is equals to v2 d2. Then substitute those values in this equation m1 m2. m1 m2 is, m1 means v1 d1 plus m2 means v2 d2 by v1 plus v2. If v1 is equals to v2, the densities of mixtures is equals to d1 plus d2 by 2. Here taken v is the common, v get cancelled. When two densities of mixtures equal masses are we are attached, then density of mixture is 2d1 d2 by d1 plus d2. Two equal volumes we are mixed together, the density of mixture is d1 plus d2 by 2. Let us going to discuss the example problems related to density of mixtures. See one example. Two liquids when they are mixed in equal volumes, resultant density is 5. When they are mixed equal masses, the resultant density is 3.75. Find the density of liquids. Solution of the above problem. We mixed equal volumes, the density of mixture formula is d1 plus d2 by 2. Already we discussed in previous class. Here d1 plus d2 equal volumes are mixed. The density of mixture is 5. 5 is equals to d1 plus d2 by 2. d1 plus d2 by d1 plus d2 is equals to 10. This is equation number 1. When the two liquids of densities are mixed with equal masses, their density of mixture is equals to 2 d1 d2 by d1 plus d2. Here two liquids are mixed equal masses, the resultant density is 3.75. Substitute here 3.75 is equals to 2 d1 d2 by d1 plus d2. d1 plus d2 value is 10. 10 is substituted in this equation. 2 d1 d2 is equals to 3.75 into 10, that is equals to 37.5. d1 d2 is equals to 18.75. Therefore d2 is equals to 18.75 by d1. In this d2 value is substituted in equation 1. d1 plus 18.75 by d1 is equals to 10. From this equation we can write d1 square plus 18.75 is equals to 10 d1. Therefore d1 square minus 10 d1 plus 18.75, this equation will represent the quadratic equation. From quadratic equation square root values, d1 is equals to 10 plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac. B square is here 100 minus 4 a is 1, c means 18.75. By simplifications of this equation, d1 will get 7.5, d2 is 2.5.